The main hydraulic pump, a vital player, is driven by the engine's heartbeat. It draws oil from the tank, channeling it to the main control valve, MCV. Picture this. The operator tilts the joystick, commanding a boom-up action. A servo signal prompts the MCV to open a passage to the boom cylinder. Here's the magic. Pressurized oil surges into the boom cylinder, urging it upward. Simultaneously, oil on the rod side returns to the MCV. Result: pistons within the cylinder respond, elevating the boom with finesse. But there's more. Some oil takes a brief detour to the cooler before returning to the tank. Simultaneously, another stream heads straight back to the tank from the MCV. This intricate symphony of hydraulics orchestrates the boom's rise. It's a dance of mechanics, where the main pump, MCV, and boom cylinder perform in harmony. Now, armed with this insight, you're ready to showcase not just the excavator's physicality, but the elegance of its inner workings.